first thing customers say about Maxpack is that we're quick to respond. And that's true, because we've built the business in a way that ensures we provide consistently quick responses to inquiries. Even the most challenging inquiry can be quickly turned into a deliverable solution through insight, knowledge and teamwork.
The customers provide us with their demand for the next 18 weeks. Okay, so we're agreed. We can achieve the customer's demand with an extra 50 kits per week.
Most of my time is spent on site with customers, as gaining an insight into our customers' requirements is paramount to us here at Maxpack, as it enables us to create an innovative and cost-effective solution to help them package their products.
6 locations altogether, so if we bring another 2 double benches through to speed up the packing of the Chinese product.
Running out of packaging can bring a whole production line to a standstill. We can monitor client stock levels, carry out regular on-site stock checks if required to ensure this doesn't happen.
We have our own range of products. We've taken industry essentials, innovated with these products and improved them. We understand that one size does not fit all, and we are able to create bespoke packaging solutions for our customers. The way that products are unwrapped and unpacked is really important, and it can create an effect that nothing else can create.
We deliver what the customer needs, on time, at the right time, no exceptions.
Maxpack, helping you pack every day.